Hi everyone, dragsters are the most brutal thing we have to offer. And that in different variants. The Dragster short and crisp with flat handlebar and low seating position is the original version. The Dragster RS with a solid frame, a new fork, one-arm swing arm, and in the case of the RS are more edged sheet metal dress as well as the fully milled wheels. The R-ODYNAMIC is equipped with 21 inches and 23 inches wheels. The TBR-R comes with a trapeze fork and a square bodywork. The Thunderbike KREUZFEUER swingarm is powered by a Harley-Davidson twin-cam engine. The Easy Riders. The RS got a makeover from us. Currently the bike is on our monoblock wheels. The Gulf livery is an absolute cult in racing and known from Le Mans races like the GR7. Our Dragster RS also focused on sporty acceleration values, although no lap times on the racetrack. Our Thunderbike frame kit with single-side swingarm served as the basis for this radical drag styler with twin-cam Screamin' Eagle engine. Matching this, we have developed our RS fork, which together with the air-ride suspension system ensures easy height adjustment of the complete vehicle. When it came to wheel design, our choice fell on our in-house triple design, which, like all of our designs, is available on numerous Harley-Davidson and metric models. Customized Thunderbike Dragster RS frame. The spectacular as well as the open mind are show bikes, but everything that leaves the workshop in Hamminkeln is absolutely rideable. Beside these spectacular show bikes there are of course a lot of modifications, from soft to hard. Thunderbike is not only an official Harley-Davidson dealer, but also a customizer and produces most of its parts in-house. This not only benefits the company's own superstructures and conversions, the parts can be ordered by anyone via the custom book for Harley-Davidson catalog. This makes Thunderbike one of the few real bike builders who build their own bikes from the frame. Typical Milwaukee orange. Introducing RSO Racing Series. This beautiful bike was created based on our Dragster RS frame kit matching RS fork and swing arm. Except for 103 Screaming Eagle's engine and transmission, which of course may not be missing in such a projectile, all other parts are from our house. The machine rolls on the Thunderbike Vegas cut wheels. In addition, we have our foot peg base hole, plus the matching grips and of course the RS Topper series. The Milwaukee typical orange paint has been combined with a classic flag check and shows that the bike feels at home on every drag strip. The position of the foot pegs, of course, we have a compromise between dragster typical relocation and cruiser style forwarding received, because the bike is largely moved on the road. The radical lowering also had to be done using the Thunderbike air-ride suspension system to ensure good drivability, even off the smooth race tracks. The goal was to achieve a sporty, flat but powerful line. This was achieved by large diameter frame tubes that provide more stability, curved 45mm down tubes, 70mm steering head with internal steering head stop and newly formed side parts. The result is impressive and the crouched, powerful shape of the drag styler almost jumps at you. A fighting machine like this requires the right heart to be implanted and a 103 cubic inches Screamin' Eagle engine has been transplanted into the frame. Equipped with the original HD injection electronics, the steam hammer complies with current exhaust emission standards. crispy and elegant. The perimeter brake on the rear milled from the solid. Does anyone claim that thick rear tires do not pull anymore? The tuning of the engines is another specialty. And so the bike can actually roll faster. 200 things it should have already pushed on the highway, not without lifting the driver almost from the saddle. But that was only the wind pressure, not the suspension. And since the driver had enough muscles in his arms, he also came back from this hell of a ride. Sport is really healthy. Motorsport too. As long as one steals his arms in the gym. RS Sunbeam, customized Thunderbike Dragster Frame. R-ODYNAMIC. A Screamin' Eagle 110 cubic inches in the Thunderbike RS frame. Also this bike accompanied us on the journey to FUEGO. From head to toe a very special kind. The FUEGO is based on our Dragster RS kit and was equipped with our monoblock wheel set, which is milled from solid aluminium blocks. In addition to features such as an open belt kit and many Thunderbike parts, the paint of master painter Ringo KREUZFEUER is an absolute highlight. The RS Superbike fork. First installed at the RS Daytona, already available for order in our new online shop. The new RS Superbike front fork including riser for one tube handlebar, steering pin, axle and headlight bracket is available in different lengths. The fork comes ready to install, pre-assembled and black-coated, has 4 degrees rake and is 270 mm wide. The new Dragster RS of Frank, which is a complete package of Thunderbike parts, rolls on our Thunderbike lowrider wheels. crispy and elegant. The perimeter brake on the rear milled from the solid. Does anyone claim that thick rear tires do not pull anymore? The tuning of the engines is another specialty. And so the bike can actually roll faster. 200 things it should have already pushed on the highway, not without lifting the driver almost from the saddle. But that was only the wind pressure, not the suspension. And since the driver had enough muscles in his arms, he also came back from this hell of a ride. Almost every part from Thunderbike. Our Dragster RS was based on our frame kit, matching fork and swing arm. The wheels are milled from the solid and adapted in style to our Vegas cut design. With the exception of the engine and gearbox, almost every part from Thunderbike is available and therefore also available in our online shop. The tuning of the engines is another specialty. The bike can actually achieve good 200 things on the highway. A personal bike in a class of its own. The Mystery was originally created as a personal bike. It is based in the style of our European Championship winner and vice-champion Spectacular. With light optical and technical modifications, we have put the Dragster in the right light again. Thanks for watching.